Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Bolts, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid. So going from the link on Google Classroom, you'll see something that looks like this. Depending on your class period, that will look different. But you'll click Login with Google Classroom or Login with Google. You will click on your MASD account. And then you will see the home page for Flipgrid and your classroom. Scroll down and you'll see the microphone and something that says Presentation Practice. In order to record, you're going to simply press the plus button. Oh, there I am. And this is where you will actually record yourself. So it's pretty simple. You hit the red button to record, it will count you down, and then you start talking, and then you click it again to stop. So let's try it. Counting me down. I'm live. So here is where I'm going to state my claim, what I firmly believe in, and then I'm going to reason, cite, explain, and conclude. And I really want you to try to think about poise, voice, and eye contact when you're doing this. I don't really want you to read straight off the page or your graphic organizer, but really think about a debate and being persuasive to your audience. And then when you're done recording, you'll hit the pause button. And then if you like it, you will hit next. I'm live. So here is where I'm going to state my claim, what I firmly believe in, and then I'm going to reason, cite, explain, and conclude. And I really want you to try to think about poise, voice, and eye contact when you're doing this. I don't really want you to read straight off the page or your graphic organizer, but really think about a debate and being persuasive to your audience. And then when you're done recording, you'll hit I'm live. So here is where I'm going to state my claim. There we go. Okay, so you can see that it gives you an opportunity to preview. If you absolutely hate it, you can trash that, but I would encourage you to only record twice. So give yourself one blooper video and one final video. We don't have enough time for you to do 5 outtakes. So then hit next. And you can snap a selfie. So go ahead and snap a selfie. And then you can add 2 stickers. I'm going to do this because that is what my cell phone cover looks like. And I love, let's see, I like books. So I'll put books in my selfie. And you can make them smaller, you can flip them around, and then you're going to hit submit. You can undo something if you don't like it. Put that in instead. Then you're going to hit submit, and you get fireworks, and then you're complete. Once you're complete, you can actually see responses, and you can leave feedback. I'm live. So here is where you can leave, I believe you can leave feedback for each other, either on pen and paper or online. So that's it to Flipgrid. Good luck, and remember poise, voice, and eye contact.